How to find Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. If you're just looking for coupon codes, go ahead and click on this option of coupon codes. Now in this page, you will only find the coupon codes for Uber Eats. Scroll down and check 50% coupon code, $10 coupon code, 25% coupon code, and many more. If you're interested in any of the coupon code and want to use it, click on this option of view coupon. So here's the coupon code. Now you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Uber Eats, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, you can go through these websites as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Uber Eats. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily find Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.